Good morning, travelers. Ready to take on the Kalalau Trail? Then get your butt up. First up, we catch the shuttle from the Waipa Park and Ride to Hyanna State Park. A beautiful scenic drive. Reservations are required, and make sure you get there with plenty of time to catch your shuttle. Once we arrive in the park, the shuttle drops us off for a short safety briefing.
Walk down this boardwalk, it's going to lead you back into the jungle. You're going to find Kauai Beach, the bathrooms, as part of the Kalalau Trail, all in one spot back there.
All right, so we are here in Hyanna State Park. We are about to do the Hanapali Trail, which I'm probably saying that wrong, but we're super excited. I'm super excited. My husband's a little freaked out, but that's okay. I've got him to agree to go to at least to the beach, and then we're gonna recalculate and see if he wants to go to the waterfall. I'm going to the waterfall no matter what. So we caught the 8 a.m. shuttle. I will say they leave on the dot at the time of your reservation, so make sure we got there literally 2 minutes before the shuttle left. We caught it, but get there a little earlier. Don't do what we did. So I cannot wait for today. Take you along and show you these views. It's going to be incredible. After a short hike through the forest, we arrive at Kauai Beach and the trailhead for the Kalalau Trail. If you're up for a real adventure, the entire trail is 11 miles in and 11 miles back for 22 miles round trip. We're just doing the first 2 miles to the beach, and then I'm going to do the next 2 miles to the waterfall. While the trail will offer many amazing views, the first you will see is an overview of Kauai Beach. And as you come up over the ridge, there it is, the Napali Coast. So from what I've been told, we are about maybe halfway to the beach right now, and it is a lot of up and down. There's lots of mud. This is not a 2-mile walk that you do on around your neighborhood. It's definitely a hike. It's up and down, lots of rocks, lots of mud, so it is a bit strenuous, but you're in the shades. Definitely do it in the morning so you stay shaded, because as soon as that sun hits in the afternoon, it's going to be hot. So we're going to keep on going. This is incredible. So we have reached the beach. I'm not gonna try to remember the name of it right now. But as you can see, we have made it to the beach. I'm so excited that we're here. It took about an hour and a half, which wasn't bad. We didn't go very fast. We were going pretty slow, actually. Plenty of people along that portion of the trail. It's very well marked. If you're gonna do it, I would say do it in the morning because it's shaded. And just commit to coming to the beach at least. If you don't decide to go onto the waterfall, understood, but at least come and commit to going to the beach because the view is amazing. You can sit here in the shade, take a nice rest. There are facilities up the trail a little bit if you decide before you head back or before you head on to the waterfall. But this is just amazing. So glad we made it this morning.
On to the waterfall. The first landmark, so to speak, you will reach is the Bamboo Grove.
All right, so this is the first and easiest of the river crossings along the trail to the falls. Nothing to it. So when you get through one of these more treacherous passes here, you get the view of a lifetime. I made it! This is so cool. Now I gotta figure out how to go swimming.
One thing that was completely unexpected but quite amazing to witness was a wedding couple came down here for their wedding photos. Wow, how incredible.
So cold. Yeah, it's really cold. God damn, that's cool. Okay, it's totally worth taking a dip, but be ready. It's like ice cold. So it's very refreshing after the long hike, but you don't want to stay in too long. It's really cold. Really, really cold. I'm gonna get out, enjoy a little snack, and then head back on the trail. So one of the cool things that I bought for this trip was one of these packable towels. I went with a Venture Forth one. I'm gonna see how it is. It's a microfiber towel, but it's a large one. Because I knew I was coming down here and I knew I was going to need to dry off. So I thought this would be a good test of this to see how it is. So it's really big and it's really absorbent. This will dry me off nicely before I head back. I'm going to sit here and have an apple. And then I got to head back because my husband pooped out on me. I will say this part of the trail, it is, I don't know if it's any more difficult than the first part, but there's more treacherous sections. So there's small little parts where you're kind of scaling a wall, and then there's others where you're like getting really muddy, and then there's others where you're crossing the river and it can get a little dicey. But if you just take your time and make sure you know, go, there's plenty of people along the trail. It would be very difficult for you to get lost, especially if you come on a beautiful day. I ended up with really good weather with beautiful sunshine, probably 78 degrees. So it ended up being a beautiful day for me to do this. I imagine if it's rainy, this would not be a fun trip, but it's nice and dry today, so it made it wonderful. Took me roughly about an hour and a half. I didn't stop much. I stopped a couple times for water, but that's about it. So it was a really excellent trail, and I'm so glad I did it. Very cool, and I can't wait now to head on back to this waterfall. If you can make it here, this is amazing. I did it. Say goodbye to walking stick. Oh my God. 8 miles in and back. It was amazing. I'm exhausted. I want to go sit my ass on the beach for a little bit, go take a quick dip, and then we'll catch the shuttle back and probably wash up, find something to eat for the night. But holy crap, what a day. That was fucking amazing. Pardon my French, but I'll try to bleep that out. But that was amazing. I highly recommend it. It is doable. It is strenuous. Just know that and you'll be fine. But we're gonna go spend a little bit of time at KA Beach because I really wanna dip my toes in the sand and just cool off for a minute before we head back on the shuttle. Best combo for the beach. Alright, so now we have the Berry Berry, which is number 5 at JoJo's. We're going to dive in because we've earned it today.
Join us tomorrow. Even when weather derails your plans, the island delivers.
Where are we going next? Let's go.